Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing graphics design tutorial. And the graphics design of tutorial of today, it's all about some sliced text. Have you ever come across this kind of sliced text, which is so awesome, whereby you're like, you can't resist it. You're like, how did this being approached on Photoshop, or which software is it being used? Actually, I'm going to use Photoshop on this one, so bear in mind if you have any kind of different software, it might be different on your software. But if you're using Photoshop, well, take your popcorn, grab your biscuits, grab your juice, you know what I mean, and let's get started. So guys, I'm actually inside Photoshop, and something which is so great is all about our background. Now, bear in mind, you might be using a black background or any color background, but your text is supposed to be a little bit different with that color. This is what I mean. So if you're using like orangish background, I prefer you use a little bit of white text, and your font, it might be a little bit bold, so I prefer you using the Gotham fonts works dope on this one. So let's do this way. So I'm gonna say like motion, I'm gonna type motion, right, and make that tick there. Perfect. Now we are having our motion text here, so I'm gonna just Ctrl+T and adjust it a bit up to somewhere there. Nice. And after that, let's go all the way to the lasso tool here, but I'm going to use the polygon lasso tool. So I'm going to select this, but if you don't have that, you can just click here and go all the way to your polygon lasso tool. Now after that, make sure that you see the polygon. If you have caps lock, you'll see something like this, but if you have caps lock off, you'll see your polygon lasso tool. Now make some cutoff, like somewhere here. I want my slide cutoff, so I'm going to make it out there, up to there. Perfect. Now we're having a shape there which is selected. Now the magic, here's the magic, we're gonna just mask everything out. Now go all the way here down, you can see the here masking, click on the masking, wait for the magic, boom, done. Now I'm gonna just give you some few details about masking. So masking, this is how it works. So if I hide my face, it's a little bit masked out because you won't see me, right? But you might be seeing half part of me or something of the sort. But if I reveal myself, that's no masking, that we inverted the masking. Now that's the thing which we're gonna do here. So after having this one here, now we're gonna hold this kind of text and duplicate it here. Now we're gonna have a copy of it. So if you like leaving the copy, but I would like just to keep it like 2, so as I can know the differentiation instead of having a copy. But you might be leaving it just like that, don't worry about it. And after that, I'm gonna just click on this mask, but on making it a selection, I must invert it. Like I was saying guys, hiding your face, boom, you have inverted the mask. So Ctrl+I, then you click, boom, just like that. You can see it revealed its own self there, which is very perfect. So after that, Ctrl+D to deselect and slightly use your move tool on this one. Just move it a little bit, just like that, a little bit left. You can see there, a little bit left, up to somewhere there, because it's sliced, right? It's like Fruit Ninja, you know Fruit Ninja game? Have you played that game? It's a dope game. You just slice things out, slice. You just cut off. That's a good example. So after keeping your text somewhere here, which is awesome, now we're gonna create a new layer. Now, hint of today, there's a shortcut of creating a new layer. Instead of you going all the way to click this button of adding a new layer, here is how you do it. Ctrl+Shift+N. Thank me later. Another kind of stuff, just name it slash. Pew. I love naming my layers, but not all the time. Now click OK. After that, now the magic. Now we have just to make the magic. Now making the magic, this is how you do it. Click Control on the keyboard, click here, boom, done. Your mask will be shown out there, the inverted one, right? You'll see the marquee lines. These are called the marquee lines. You see the marquee lines doing that thing, going here and there. Now after that, click B on the keyboard for your brush. Make sure that you have a black brush, so as you can see it vividly, and make sure that you right click your brush and the hardness is 100% 0. Not 100%, but it's 0% of hardness. Now the size doesn't matter, but keep it a little bit low key on the size. Don't make it bigger, just smaller one. Now after that, just shade. Keep on shading, not too much, but a bit. Like I started shading too much there. Can I just Ctrl+Z and start shading halfway here, which is perfect to make it look more realistic. Good. Up to somewhere there. I'm like holding my breath. Just kidding with you guys. Now after that, here's the magic you've been waiting for. Ctrl+D to deselect. Ooh, what's going on, man? What's happening? It's dope, right? Now click on this kind of motion, the one which is not 2. Now I want you guys to use the move tool. Just squeeze it and bring it down a bit, down, because it's far away so you can see it in a realistic way. Now after you're done, then I'm gonna unhide my rulers, my guides, lines which are here, then Ctrl+H. Voila, that's an epic slice there. I hope you enjoyed that kind of epic slice. That's how you make slice text. So next time you're making a poster or flyer, this has some great ingredients to add there to make your flavor of your post more dope, more good, and you're gonna enjoy on that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing tutorial. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It will be something which is so awesome, so as we can walk through this kind of long journey we have, and it's gonna be amazing. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos. Peace.